Okay, so welcome to the video on vectors. I'm now going to talk about the scalar product, also known as the dot product, between two vectors in 2D. So, say for example we have vector A, and it's denoted as a column vector here as PQ. So that tells us we have P units of I and Q units of J. And we also have vector B, which is also saying that we have I units of I and S units of J. So if I want to find the scalar product between these two, we write A dot B, and all we do is the sum of the number of I units in A times the number of I units in B. So that's going to be P times R. So those two, plus the number of J units in A times the number of J units in B, so that's going to be Q times S. So it's those two. Okay, so let's take an actual example of two vectors. So say if we had A, and that equals 4, 5, and we have B, which equals 5 minus 2. If I want to find the dot product between these two, I just denote it the same way, so A dot B, and that's going to equal 4 times 5, which is the number of I units between each vector, plus 5 times minus 2, which is the number of units of J between the two vectors. So that gives us 20 plus minus 10, and that's going to equal 10. So the dot product between these two particular vectors is 10, and that concludes the video.